It's really liquidy. Okay, I did not expect that. It's like water all over my hands now. Welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 5 of November 2018 Box Week. It is also Thanksgiving Day, so happy Thanksgiving. Today I'm really excited. So I wanted to do this unboxing specifically today because it is like the cult favorite of my YouTube family channel, and that is our face mask and chill unboxing. So I'm going to tell you about what we're doing today while I put on a face mask. So I'm going to put my little kitty cat ears on. So first off, if you are just joining me for the first time, this is where I want you, if you have a face mask at home, pause your YouTube video, pause this video. Pause it. Just pause it and go get your own face mask and mask along with us. And basically it's a way for us to relax, have some self-care. Tonight I'm actually going to be doing the Facetory Glow Baby Glow mask that we got. I believe this was last month's box. And it says first you put on this, it's like a 2-step. It's got soothing and pooey, and then it's got the actual mask. So I'm going to put on the top part first. So first of all, happy Thanksgiving. Like I said, I want to do this today. I feel like it's a holiday. This is a great way for people just to relax today while they are, ooh, this just came like, it's really liquidy. Okay, I did not expect that. It's like water all over my hands now. So I want to do a mask like this today on a day where a holiday where people are usually in their PJs relaxing with family, chilling out at home. So yeah, doing this mask today for that reason. I want to do this unboxing. And today we're going to be opening Facetory. So if you don't know what Facetory is one of my absolute favorite subscription boxes. It is a face mask subscription box. I believe they're coming up on like their 2-year birthday. It might be this month actually. Oh geez, I can't get this mask undone. And Facetory is, the reason it's my favorite is because, so I'm a big face mask junkie. As many of you know, I've undergone significant weight loss. One of the things that suffered after losing a lot of weight was my skin. So doing face masks has been something that's actually really helped my skin to stay looking good even though I've lost a lot of weight, because it's cold. A lot of people know that like when you lose a significant amount of weight, your skin can suffer and have like, you know, just a lot of issues because of all of the like hormone shifting and things of that nature. Okay, got my mask on, rubbing all the excess into my hands. And so we're going to be opening this box. Basically, they send you 7 face masks every single month. It ends up being about $20 with shipping. My mom even started getting it because she loves it, and they are Korean beauty masks, and they're all usually really high-end masks. They also have an option where you can get 4 masks for about $10. Those are not usually like the 2 steps and all that. They're kind of a little bit more of the basic side, but they are still good masks. We are going to be putting a face mask into our stockpile giveaway, which is right here. This is a box that we started filling up this month. Hopefully it'll be full by the end of box week next month, and we will give this away on my channel. So the mask I'm going to be putting in here today is actually one from this brand called I Do Care. It's a 2-step mask. I picked these up, actually I think it was at TJ Maxx, but this is a brand you can actually buy at Ulta. And essentially in here, it's got an exfoliating pad, and then it's got an actual mask that helps to brighten. I love this mask. This mask is amazing, especially when my skin's having a day where it's just like really textured and having issues. So that is in our stockpile giveaway box. And so today we're going to be opening Facetory, which is right here. Like I said, this box is about $20 after, you know, tax and shipping every month. And you get 7 luxury skincare masks. So I'm really, really excited to get into this today. All right, on the top, oh, look at this. They have like a little bow thing here. What's going on here? It says oh my gosh, it is their 2nd birthday. See? I told you, I thought it was their 2nd birthday. So it is Facetory's 2nd birthday today. It says, how this time has flown by. This November, we are celebrating Facetory's 2-year anniversary. Oh geez, that's my phone alarm. 1 second. All right, turn off my phone alarm. So that was interesting. All right, it says, how time has flown by. This November, we are celebrating Facetory's 2-year anniversary. We want all of you to join in the fun. We could not have made it this far with all the support we got from our lovely Facetory fam. So we hope this month's batch of freshly curated sheet masks will get you ready to celebrate Facetory style. Here's to you. All right, so this is just the thing talking about face masks. Oh, there's also this little thing in here. It says Duft and Doft Stockholm Rose Nourishing Hand Creams. They put a little hand cream in there too. So kind of just a couple of bonus things. Again, I don't really know what this bow is about, but it's cute. So I mean, I guess there's that. All right, and everything is wrapped up nicely in this little pink tissue paper. That's one of the things I love about Facetory. So they always give you a card on the top that tells you all about the mask that you've got inside your box. All right, on the top, it's another Facetory original mask that says, oh my goodness, rejuvenating snail mask, which is right there. And it looks like it says, contains nutrients such as hyaluronic acid and glycoprotein to hydrate the skin and prevent signs of aging. And it's got shea butter, which soothes inflammation, smooths dry skin, and seals in moisture by forming a moisture protective barrier over the skin. So this is great, especially, I live in Wisconsin, so the cold weather is like, seriously, it's making my skin go crazy because it's causing there to be texture issues, as well as like my skin is extremely dry. So a mask like that is gonna be really great for that. Next we have the Rose Gold 24 mask. You know what's funny? I think I wanted to buy this mask once at a store and I didn't get it, so I'm actually excited that I got it. It's from the brand 23 Years Old, and it says luxurious mask is not only has a heavenly rose scent, but their face felt so smooth and looked luminous afterwards. Can't wait for you guys to try this ultra hydrating and high quality mask. So this is basically curated from all the different people who are at Facetory. So this is a super hydrating mask. I've said this a bunch of times before, but rose is actually really, really great for your skin. It really helps improve, it helps like if you're having like tone issues, so if you're having like redness, it'll help with that, as well as it just helps your skin kind of to calm down. All right, next we have this, tea Americano mask. Ooh, look at this. It looks like it's a coffee and tea mask, which is really cool. All right, so it's a 3-part, looks like they've got a T-zone, C-zone, and the actual mask part. So let's read about what this does. Multi-step masks are so fun and convenient. I love how this mask is targeted treatments for your T-zone and C-zone area. This is great nighttime mask and leaves my skin feeling so smooth and hydrated for days when my skin needs a little SOS. So the C-zone and Pui you put all over your face. Then the T-zone so basically you put this part all over your entire face, you do this part on your T-zone, and then this mask goes on afterwards. Okay, so I'm really excited to try that. Next we have a sparkling wine mask sheet. Oh, that's fun. That is really fun. Seriously, you guys, this box is amazing. So it says, cheers to turning 2. I'm going to love celebrating our 2-year anniversary with this sheet mask. It treats and gently exfoliates my skin like no other, and the formula supports me throughout a long day of work. So it contains a natural antioxidant called resveratrol, I can't say it right, to help fight anti-aging. So basically I'm wondering if this is going to kind of bubble up because it sounds like it's actually going to exfoliate your skin at the same time. So that's really cool. All right, we have a dark cocoa mask, which is right here. That one, and it says, who knew that a sheet mask can make me love chocolate even more? This mask was a perfect solution for my combination skin and eczema. Yes, chocolate is actually really good apparently for helping with like acne and like combination skin, and it's not only moisturize my face but help battle those pesky inflammations. Safe to say you need to try this mask. So it's got cocoa and quinoa in it. The next one we have is Cica Herb Restore Sheet Mask, which is right there, and it looks like this is a really good one for calming and soothing. I love a good calming and soothing mask. Like I said, right now, especially like if you got any kind of like sinus infection going on where you get like that redness right here, a good calming mask like a rose or something like this is going to be really good for helping to kind of relax and restore your skin tone. And then it looks like we have this Duft & Doft Hydra Soother Deep Hydration Mask, which is right there. I'm so glad that this Duft & Doft Hydra Soother Deep Hydration Mask will keep us looking young as we turn 2 years old. It provides a huge wave of hydration, perfect to use after a full day spent in intense weather. Yeah, like I said, cold weather kills the skin and seriously dries it out, so that's really great. All right, so to recap this box, we got the Duft & Doft Hydra Soother Deep Hydration Mask, which is right there. We got the Cica Herb Restore Sheet Mask, which is good for soothing. We got the Dark Chocolate Mask, which is supposed to be really good for helping like combination skin and like eczema issues. We got the Sparkling Wine Sheet Mask, which is really good for helping I think they said, what did they say it was good for? Hold on, I gotta look. I dropped the sheet on the floor. It helps to fight anti-aging as well as it exfoliates the skin. That's what I was looking for. We got this 3-part mask, which is for the C-zone and the T-zone, where we put something all over our entire face, and then we put this focusing on our T-zone and then the mask on afterwards. We got the Rose Gold Mask. I told you guys how amazing rose is for your skin. And we got the Rejuvenating Snail Mask from Facetory itself. So, and then we also got the cute little bow here, which again, I don't actually know specifically specifically what that's for, but I'll put it up somewhere in my room. And then we got the Nourishing Rose hand cream. So I'm actually gonna try that really quick too. I don't know why I didn't try the hand cream to start out. Oh, because there's a little sticky on it and I can't get it open. I probably just knew somewhere deep down. I was like, there's probably a thing in here. I'm gonna have an issue trying to get this open. I'm trying to like pull it to the side so I can open it with like my kimono. Nope, not working. Got it. There we go. All right, gonna try this. Oh, I got some on my nose. That's wonderful. I like the smell of it. And it is really nice and gentle on the hand, so that's cool. All right, so basically that's it for the unboxing portion of this video. I just want to talk to you guys really quick before I take my mask off and tell you just like how much I seriously like love and appreciate you guys so much. I want to thank everyone who's been a part of the Just Like Drew family. You guys seriously are amazing. I'm so thankful for all of you. I know people say that, but really like you guys have been an amazing part of my life, and I truly love and appreciate all of you so very much. And I'm thankful that I know you. I'm thankful that you guys show up every month for box week and that we do this, and it just seriously like means the world to me to have you here, a part of my life. I hope you all have an amazing Thanksgiving day today. I hope that today is just restful, and you know, if you have family to spend it with, that is spent with family, and if you don't, that you have friends you can spend it with. And no matter what your situation is, just know that you are loved and cared about, and I pray that you just have an amazing day today. So I'm gonna take off my sheet mask now and see what my face looks like after doing a Facetory mask. Well, I think my face looks really nice and hydrated and like it's glowing. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 6 of November 2018 box week. And happy Thanksgiving. All right, love you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Ears are to distract you from the fact that I dropped the ball with canceling this box and getting something else. Sephora plays a $10 subscription box that